Mining projects, and particularly large-scale iron ore mining projects, can have a lead time of up to 10 years from initial idea or discovery to production. And in that time, there are a number of stages that a project will pass through, including early exploration, pre-feasibility study, bankable feasibility study, construction, and final production. At each of these stages, the project promoter will be making an increasingly significant financial commitment, as will any joint investors or banks providing finance. Now, given the typical size of investment in an iron ore project and the risks involved in setting up large-scale mining operations where infrastructure may be lacking, or where geological, political and construction risk might be significant, it's absolutely vital to have a clear, robust view of the market to understand the revenue potential of your project. CRU's long-term iron ore market outlook provides this clear, robust view. If you're involved in project financing, you will already know that the iron ore sector provides a surfeit of potential projects that have been encouraged to market by high historic prices and expectations of massive increases in demand for iron ore, largely driven by China. But which projects will make the grade? What is their cost structure? And what will be the impact of this proliferation in supply on the iron ore price? CRU has been analysing the steel and raw materials markets for more than 30 years and is recognised as providing the most credible, independent view in this area. Drawing on our 30-strong team of analysts based in London, India, the US and the key Chinese market, the long-term iron ore market outlook answers your questions on the relative merits of individual projects and the impact of supply growth on long-run iron ore prices. If you're an existing miner, you will also be keenly aware that the supply landscape is changing. But how will this affect your competitiveness and supply strategy in the long term? Drawing on our expertise in iron ore costs, project analysis, and our intimate understanding of the key steel and raw materials markets, CRU's long-term iron ore market outlook provides you with all the information needed to understand and demonstrate the sustainability of existing operations and to facilitate the development of future supply strategy in a changing supply scenario. Whatever your interest, our long-term iron ore market outlook provides the information you need to understand the long-term dynamics of the iron ore market and includes a long-run price based on project costs and a supply-demand gap analysis with forecast premia for pellet and lump, cost data for key projects incorporating our proprietary view of value in use of different iron ore types, profiles of all key projects for benchmarking purposes, steel intensity forecasts for China and other regions, assumptions on Chinese scrap availability and the BOF-EAF share by region, and the potential supply by key producing countries broken down by company and mine, with a view on how Chinese production will develop in the long term. So if you think CRU's long-term iron ore market outlook can be of use to you in your work, please contact customer services who will be very happy to help you. Thank you.